Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan. Thank you for joining us today. If you are new here, this channel brings you clear and simple news about South Sudan and the region. We break down complex stories so everyone can understand. Today we have four major stories. First, we will talk about a court ruling involving national security and detainees in Juba. Second, we'll talk about a major oil shipment deal between South Sudan and BB Energy. And third, we'll talk about an opposition group rejecting a Kenya-led peace plan. And fourth, which is final, President Salva Kiir Mayardit returning from the African Union summit and confirming election will not be delayed. Before we move on, please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video you can be notified. Let's begin our first report with court order national security to stop removing detainees undergarment. A special court in Juba has ordered the National Security Service, also known as NSS, to stop removing undergarment from detainees during searches. This case involved the suspended first by President Dr. Riek Machar and 7 other co-accused. His lawyer filed a complaint earlier this month. They say that security officers were treating the accused in a humiliating and degrading way. According to the defense team, detainees were forced to remove undergarment, prevented from wearing suit, subjected to intrusive search, and denied access to personal books and notebooks. The lawyer argued that removing undergarment is not only unnecessary but humiliating. They say it violates dignity and privacy. During the 52 court session held at Freedom Hall in Juba, Judge Stephen Simon made a clear ruling, and he stated that removing undergarment is prohibited because it violates the right of the accused. The judge also ordered that the notebook taken from the detainees be returned so they can write notes during court sessions. However, the judge added that security searches are allowed, but they must be done respectfully and with dignity. This ruling is important because it touches on human rights and the treatment of detainees. Now, let's talk about the bigger case. Dr. Riek Machar and several others are facing serious charges including murder, conspiracy, terrorism, treason, destruction of public property, and crime against humanity. Dr. Riek Machar is currently under house arrest. The other accused persons are being held in National Security Detention Center in Juba. Prosecutors said forces connected to SPLA-IO and the Norway Army attacked a military garrison in Nasser in March 2025. They alleged that 257 soldiers were killed, including General David Majudak, and that military equipment worth millions of dollars were destroyed or taken. The case continues, and the court has scheduled another hearing for February 20, where a digital forensic expert from South Africa will be questioned. We will continue following this case closely. Let's move on. BB Energy lift first oil shipment under new agreement. Now let's move to oil. A company called BB Energy has lifted its first shipment of South Sudan crude oil under a renewed payment agreement. The shipment includes about 600,000 barrels of Dar blend crude oil. This deal followed talk between the company and South Sudan's Minister of Finance and Minister of Petroleum. BB Energy CEO Mohamed Bassatne described this shipment as an important first step. He thanked South Sudanese authorities for cooperation. Now let's explain what happened before. In February 2025, BB Energy entered a prepayment deal with South Sudan. This means the companies pay money in advance and expected oil deliveries later, but deliveries were delayed. Why? One reason was a pipeline rupture in February 2024. This caused serious supply disruption and financial problem for the government. Later in June 2025, BB Energy filed a legal case in London claiming that South Sudan failed to deliver oil as agreed. There was even a court order in London blocking the sale of a cargo of null blend crude oil, but that injunction was later lifted after agreement were reached. Now, BB Energy say the legal case is suspended and may close once a final agreement is completed. This development is important because oil is South Sudan's main source of income. If oil shipment continues smoothly, it could help improve the country's economy. But many people are watching closely to see if the agreement will be fully implemented this time. Let's move on. Opposition group reject a Kenya-led peace plan. Now let's talk about politics and peace. An opposition alliance called the South Sudan Opposition Movement Alliance, also known as SOMA, has rejected a proposed peace framework led by Kenya government. SOMA is led by General Thomas Cirillo. The Kenya-led plan is known as the Detainee Peace Initiative. SOMA say the proposed framework is flawed. They claim it was developed without enough consultation. It appeared to decide the outcome before discussion even began. And it focused too much on election instead of solving deeper problems. South Sudan became independent in 2011, but in 2013, conflict broke out after political disagreement between President Salva Kiir Mayardit and his then Deputy First Vice President Dr. Machar. In 2018, a peace agreement was signed. It created a unity government, but many parts of the agreement have not been fully implemented. SOMA is not part of that agreement. The group say election should not come before peace. They argue that holding election while insecurity, displacement, and political tension remain could make the situation worse. SOMA, they are calling for broad consultation, involvement of civil society, participation of women and youth, release of political detainees, neutral venue for peace talk, and involvement of regional and international partners. South Sudan elections are currently scheduled for December 2026. This debate raises a serious question. Should election come first, or should deeper political reform happen first? This is a conversation that will shape the country's future. Let's look at this report. President Salva Kiir Mayardit returned from Africa Union Summit, say election will not be delayed. President Salva Kiir Mayardit has returned to Juba after attending the 39th African Union Summit in Addis Ababa. At the airport, he was welcomed by Vice President Taban Dengai and other officials. During the summit, regional leaders discussed South Sudan peace process and upcoming elections. President Salva Kiir Mayardit reportedly told leaders that there will be no further extension of the transitional period. He explained that election will happen in December 2026. Well, South African President Cyril Ramaphosa also spoke during the summit. He said the decision made in the coming month will determine whether South Sudan will determine whether South Sudan move toward lasting peace or face instability again. Many observers are concerned because some key parts of the 2018 peace deal remain incomplete, including security sector reform, writing a permanent constitution, and unifying army post. These issues are critical for peaceful elections. Now, the big question is, can South Sudan hold credible and peaceful election by December 2026? Time will tell. Today, stories show the South Sudan is at a very sensitive moment. We see a court defending detainees' right, oil deal being revived, political disagreement about peace and election, the president confirming no delay in election. The next month will be very important. Will the legal system continue to protect rights? Will oil revenue stabilize the economy in South Sudan? Will political groups find common ground? And will election bring unity or more tension? These are serious questions, and we will continue bringing you updates. If you are new to Changfied, please make sure you subscribe and comment, share it, and do not forget to hit the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Biakamal gwas meka Changfied ban right katungnat ban respondent count lordin kaliang ban kaling gwas me. Bukorat right ban right ke kwimen point jo chalat gwadan cha dakma char china gwaluktin chi court chi right ke national security shenkan detainees ken re kona cha yen shenkan ke jek na la kam kan beni kerar ban jo linga jeri podome. Merode ban right ke kwi deal and chala kum South Sudan kan major oil company Michelle BB energy ban mto ban jo jektin jodin ban right ke kwi opposition group chicken man chalat kum Kenya ala South Sudan opposition man chale soma men pin sirilo kan ji kan look and Jordan chalat ke kwi to man peace initiative no shal kanan wo biya gwa malka kan na mo shi kana nok ngwandien ban ke self kem yadit do bodan ci luñ joko je ci luñ rey wecc ke juba ke jend gwadu le kaf ka union ban na me ban jeling kan kono ni ami jiram jidit gorno jin bi channel bi ñu ane ko ken chana je to ke look dakring machar gwat mene ne kon lat ke look ci kan oror ci kan to ke queen national security service ano pale detainees ken ne kon shayen chwa be ni ken chwa kamera te mi sharo la ran bi mi National Security Service awala Canadian Contila Chayen ala ne Dr. Machar kaneka wala kam kan bi ni kirar me tolkan ka tolomo wana me jeka shechong she lawyer Dr. Machar la defense lawyer wa she can file she can complain she can lat Canadian Contila jilbok and National Security Service can la letken ne ko na chayen la letken ke jek ku kan ne ko na chayen ku kan ka humiliate ke chankan ke jek la kam kan bi ni ke rar gwada dan tol kan ka ci ko ku la do ne na che chong anu dong de ti de kan kalat kamen chala da wani na security la kap kan ne ko na chayen ka bom bi kan bi ni kan bi kan ka watch kan yok lokano ne ko na chayen kelke dakma charge kan goro de kan bene la sunu de kan kalat no wan me chechong anyok bongnon kon la kan ka kwen bokan er kon cha yen pene ka bongno bo National Security Service bongnon kon dong de kan notebook de kan wa gor ke je pene ka pene ko kwen kan bongno bone ya kula do mission me cha go loje kan yin ken anyok chwa bene ken chwa ka camera then na me humiliating ano chang yana na jek chechong so cha jo mo cha to ko kan la ne ko la ni National Security Service National Security Service chenken nere kona yen kelka dagma char chenken ke jegalong ka luga jen divi de raudien court session ke juba ka freedom wall ci judge Stephen Simon ano chala do nena jeni kamdun ke benen content cha yen kamdun karar jeni a violation of their right but yeni chondien cha beni ken cha de kamrar ci jomo ci jalat ci judge chala do nena kama kan not bong na kien ke bong ko la kan ka kwen ka chwa bin ken chwa nyom kam yen kara eno tol yen ka de ka tol but cha de kaxten ko den bin ken kama so jen ta dan chalat ke ja cha order mo cha youtube ka gwad money shinerin konti la jilok she can court session she can nyom ko na passport ke she can jonyam kan ba jalat ka chang ka jen dang ro ka pairo en coding ka ku dag Machar jen gwa danan ba South African forensics expert ba jo titin uri chal ke Isaac ke Peter Calvin uri chal Calvin ba jo tich ko jiran forensics ba jo tijre wishin winimi no ka jen chang mon la chang jan dang ro no ka jen pairo to kontinene batin diala ko te chalat ke te chalat mi ka to ba ko je ko ba ko te je difan lawyer dag Machar ngai kon diala me yan ka dag Machar jen ki ko re dan chi to ka wi ka nasar kana ju kwara mi shin war wa am shi gin ke den NSS PDF wan ma cikin deni ku dangaro jandang dir baro ti cha ku na kum kin ya di kana la do cha kanak ka cha be den wi yara du cha je de bon en war wa mi ku je mo cikin dar Machar cikin obel no to dag Machar te ku tan ajen ko da dan en le ro ke jen lu dan no kan tamare wi ku juba wana ka report da dien wa kuma South Sudan cikin deal nyol ne kana BB energy alame a deal dung oil company ka runte shi gwa Sudan shi kuma South Sudan ne cha mu ka yo in advance alo ci kan li kana ko in advance ka kore chin BB energy kan bu complain no kan kuma South Sudan kan yo te ko ne ya ko ne liet kan ka bunun no a ci kan la no de kan South Sudan de kan nan ka de kan nan gwalok antama je joje gwano ne shi kan yo ko mar kan yo kuma South Sudan antama token na chikan nang 600,000 barrel chikan token mun nan kan ka dar blend crude oil lo nan kan gwadan ugan kwaktin wachi ren yo liang kan den kam niken ka kuma kiru yadi ami chikan me ka runde ko ne shiwa kan are ling especially chang nang with ami ron kin dawro jandang ro ngwan ka pairo chu te kering mu chu to ne ka kui financial problem kam den ngwad mo chu ku me shu kan pal no biglet ke BB energy dan shure nyom ga company ko ken mi company nga je no chikir chiga te ke deal din ka kam ko ken chu kan court order chu gana to lo gorga no de ne contin la kum so dan de na ngwalo chu kan lep no ka London chu ar dial chu ka ga no kan cargo dial ko de nang re ka so dan nang ka lo wa ko chu ga kan ni ko gwa Sudan nan ko chu rin biling antama ci BB energy ci kan taye dan cha ci kan gori no de kan so dan de kan yen ka ja wa ci kan pal no it mean that don charen link ka kor mi ci right ko ba kam yoken ka bi ka let ke kum so dan so mi cha jen no do let we mean that de kon mi so dan da ro nyom pal ro pe anu mo mudeten marden gwas me report ban link bala dung bon kaman chale soma men yan ka General Thomas Sirilo General Thomas Sirilo te warga mi gor jena opposition group te dor nyene ke kum kem yadit gwata me General Thomas Sirilo te warga mi gor ne den kontin te katman peace initiative la kum Kenya ajani share jaga jani che be participate ajani tuman peace initiative dor mo kwa yaro whatnot ke je ku ko focus ka kuin kware ka gwada me tin security tan ka South Sudan and all focus na ke election a chidile na ka do brande ma de no ngaje ajani che bela part of that initiative ka Jordan chalat so and South Sudan opposition movement alliance ke mishala so mama man right ke General Thomas Sirilo kan shi gan participate commandant and chale ke kuma Kenya ke man peace initiative ajan do brande kala no kala do ne en kuma kirmi yadit ko na confuse along ko we can no then adega fall into that kashi jan talk the course can use can mela tool ko bna we can were ka teleman baw nongten so kala do ne eno bna focus ke election ka te correct malat ko we ka Sudan ajan mo shi jan mandini jan manyam ajan na matrodian ko te ka requirement chalat jan en soma ke part dung Thomas Rilo chi part of 2010 peace agreement edan me cha tani kirm yadit kana dak machar so right now ke bonam pa ben kan ten de cholo lar group ten cha ba ra she lugo no be involved ko ti ke de che chit kan ri ko ken e de ke ter ko ke kum ke mjat chela do ne me ge yen ba ka participate ka jen kwenya ka jen mala mom chale atman peace initiative manyam go ne ba broad consultation ba jela ba ne dial ba ken involved ajen ba civil society ba ken involved ka ba men kan gun ba ken involved ba ka participate bu lo jen lat anyok jen man dini jan long ba all political detainees ba kalunya we ne ka dakam cha kan dial ma cha kalunya den ba na kulu we ko de ko roje de ka ki malka de tuman pizin cher der ko kulu wonya so anyok ajena gore ne dial bu ka neutral okay ko wo ba men la pon nyen ba la ne jemo no che we gor je bon obinating kontila regional ken international partner big involved tinere raja mo ko ba tarka men gake mental mal ke je ba je lat che jomo che lat gwazme president Salva Kiir yadi che chopre which ka juba ka luje joka Africa Union Summit ka jo che lat gwazo jene ne ankir ka chopde jenegan manyam en ko inquire charge be delay ku focus ka ku inquire lune joka disa ba ka do la jandang jogud bangwan den ka Africa Union Summit cha je Loren Salva Kiir yadi by president abande ngaire wiki juba kan officially ko kien jen cha raja lonko gore jen obi malbe ben chitemen cha lade cha joga Ramaphosa ki ko South Africa no gone South Sudan betakamal kamanyam gore jen wo ba security sector ba je reform ba deni dial ba kare leka anyok ba permanent constitution ba je to by unification of force ba area leka and most important of all man cha kin ya di ta lare cha jogulun all the detainees all political detainees including first by president Dr. Machar ka chira Ramaphosa ya jugno na ba ano bigalun te titkado ano woj ba jekte titkado no ba gwa te titkado so right now pressure cha kame ke cha jogno ba ji monitor akamu kan ano lo chi Kiir cher dial chagale cha jogno jin ba all the funding humanitarian everything ba ka withdraw natin content lo hiya jo mo mi kan lat and me da la agenda na gore de nya kon kel ani banale jekka ler dan ben ko kor hen biata mal bye